Let's go to page 418 and let's start with number 11. And you're going to sketch r equal to 4 cosine theta. So when you're doing the sketching, it does not be as accurate. And from here, instead of making the table, you actually can just go ahead and do the sketching directly. Okay, so from here you can see the characteristic that the A equal to 4, over here the B equal to 1. Now what it tells you that that's going to be one leaf or one petal, and the length is going to be 4. Okay, and cosine is going to be horizontal direction, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's, and because there's only 1, so it's going to be a circle. When the B is increased, the width is going to be decreased. Okay, so in this case, you're going to get something like a circle. Okay. Now you go to number 12. It's going to be similar. You have r equal to 4 sine theta. Okay. So again, you got A equal to 4, B equal to 1. Okay. Now because it's sine, that's going to be a rotation. Cosine does not have a rotation. Cosine is always horizontal. Okay. Always start from the 0. Okay. Cosine always start from the 0. But sine has a rotation, and a rotation, okay, that's a cursive r. So rotation is equal to 90 degrees divided by b. So in this case, the b equal to 1, so your rotation would be 90 degrees. Okay, so number 12, when it rotated, that means instead of starting at 0 degrees, you're going to be rotated to 90 degrees. Okay, and that's one petal, and length is 4. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it'd be like this. Okay, and that's it. So you don't have to make the big, huge table, and it takes very long time. So this is more advanced technique. Okay, number 13. You're going to have r equal to 8 cosine of 2 theta. Okay, so in this case, A equal to 8 and B equal to 2. Okay, now when B equal to 2, remember when it's even, you're going to double number of petals. Okay, so that means there's going to be 4 petals or 4 leaves. Okay, so 4 leaves, and they always spread out evenly. So there will be 4 leaves. Okay, or 4 petals, and so and the length would be 8. So okay, I'm going to make each one equal to 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's going to be right over here. And you can just kind of estimate. So again, the 8 is the length. Okay, and there are 4 petals because it's even number. Even number, you times it by 2. So 2 times 2 give you 4. And there would be, and they're going to spread out evenly. So that's going to be a 90 degrees apart. Okay, and that's it. So you don't even have to make the tables. Okay, okay, let's go to number 14. Okay, number 14, you have r equal to 10 sine of 2 theta. Okay, so in this case, A equal to 10 and B equal to 2. Okay, so again, because it's even, so you're going to double that, so you're going to get 4 leaves. Okay, or 4 petals. And now because it's sine, so it's going to be a rotation. So rotation is going to be 90 degrees over B. So rotation is going to be 45 degrees. Okay, so instead of starting at 0 degree, you're going to start at 45 degrees. Okay, so you're going to start right over here. And again, I'm going to make each one equal to 2. So A is your length or amplitude, so it'll be 10. So it'll be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 right over here. Okay. And because there will be 4 petals or 4 leaves, and they're going to spread out evenly, so it's going to be 90 degrees apart. So the next one would be right over here. Okay, and next one would be like right over here. Okay, and that's it. Okay, that's what it looks like. Now, the thing to pay close attention is the length and the space in between them. Okay, and the rotation, the starting point. Rotation is your starting point. Okay, so this is number 14. Okay, let's go to number 15. Okay, you got R equal to 6 sine of 3 theta. So A equal to 6 and B equal to 3. So in this case, because it's R number, the R number you do not double, so it would be 3 leaves. Okay, and because it's sine, so there will be a rotation. So rotation would be equal to 90 degrees divided by B. Right, the B is 3. So rotation will equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so number 15, your rotation is 30, so you're going to start at 30 degrees. So it's going to be right over here, and the A equal to 6, so it's right over here. And when you draw this, so you want to start from the tip, okay, from the tip and go to the center over here. Now, because there are 3 leaves, so there will be 120 degrees apart. Okay, this one 4 leaves, you're going to get 90 degrees apart. Right, because a circle is 360 divided by 4 give you 90 degrees, right? 360 divided by 3 give you 120 degrees apart. So you start at 30 and you go 120, you're going to get at 150. Okay, right over here. So you're going to start at 30 and you go 120, it's going to get 150 plus another 120, you're going to get 270. So those are the position of your 3. Okay, and so next one would be right over here. So again, they have to be evenly spaced. Okay, they have to be evenly spaced. So again, the A is your length or amplitude. Okay, so A is your length, your amplitude. B determine number of your leaves. So if it's odd, it would be the same. If it's even, you double. Okay, and that one you can figure out. So once you figure out how many leaves, you can figure out how far apart are each one, right? So 360 divided by 4, you get 90. 360 divided by 3, you get 120. Okay, and the rotation would be your starting point. Okay, so this one you start at 45 degrees. This one you start at 30. Okay, let's go to 16. You got R equal to 5 cosine of 3 theta. So again, A equal to 5, B equal to 3. And so in this case, you're going to start at 0 and the 0 degrees, and it's going to be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 starts right over here. Okay, and the cosine always start at 0. Cosine does not have the rotation. Now because there are 3 leaves, right? This is going to be 3 leaves, so it'll be 120 degrees apart. So 3 leaves, and 360 divided by 3, you're going to get 120 degrees apart. Okay, so you're going to get 120. So you're going to get 0, 120, and 240. Okay, so 240 right over here. Okay, and that's it for number 16. Okay, let's go to 17. Okay, you got R equal to 3 plus 3 cosine theta. Okay. So with plus, what you need to do, you want to go ahead and make a quick table. Okay. So you're going to get 0, 90, 180, 270. Okay. And this would be the R. And you want to work backwards. So cosine of 0 is 1. Okay, cosine of 0 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 3 give you 6. Okay, cosine of 90, so cosine of 90 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0, plus 3 give you 3. Cosine of 180 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 3 will give you 0. Okay, cosine of 270 is 0 times 3 give you 0 plus 3 give you 3. Okay, so that's the information you have. So now at 0 you get, at 0 degree you get 6, at 90 degrees you get 3, and at 180 degrees you get 0, and at 270 you get 3. Okay, so when you do this, right, try to start from here. So again, you got to recognize this is going to be like this. Okay, so you kind of have to have a general idea what the graph looks like. Now, if you have no idea, then what you do just go and make more values. You can just go back to like the one you did before. Just make a table and just figure out what you need to do. Okay, and when you have enough points, eventually you will be able to connect the dots and get a graph. Okay, let's go to 18. Okay, you got r equal to 2 plus 2 sine theta. Okay, so again you got theta, you got the r. So 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees. Okay, so go and work it through. So at 0 degrees, sine of 0 is 0 plus times 2 give you 0 plus 2 will give you 2. Sine of 90 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 2 give you 4. Okay, sine of 180 is 0 times 2 give you 0 plus 2 give you 2. Sine of 270 is -1. -1 times 2 give you -2 plus 2 give you 0. Okay, so again, all you need those 4 values. And again, notice it's a sine, so you're going to have rotation. So it's going to be like this one get rotated over. So at 0 degrees, at 0 degrees is 2. At 90 degrees is 4. At 180, wait, time out. Wrong. At 0 degrees is 2. At 90 degrees is 4. And at 108 degrees is 2. And 270 is 0. So this one get, again, like this one get rotated, right? And you want to start off here so your card will not looks too pointy. Okay, so start from here and have it looks like an apple. Okay, so it doesn't look too narrow and stretched out. Okay, and so that's it for number 18. Okay, let's go to 19. Okay, you have r equal to 2 plus 4 cosine theta. Okay, so you can make the table and work it through. So cosine of 0 degree is 1. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 2 is 6. Right? And go to 90 degrees. Cosine of 90 degrees is 0. 0 times 4 is 0 plus 2 is 2. Cosine of 180 is -1. -1 times 4 is -4. -4 plus 2 is -2. And the 270, cosine of 270 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay? So let's go to number 19. Okay, number 19 at 0 degrees is 6. 90 degrees is 2. 180 degrees -2, so it's going to be right over here. 270 is going to be at 2. So in this case, your graph's going to go like this. And you have to go through the origin, so it'll be like this. That's the inner loop. Okay? Okay, and number 20, you're going to do the same thing. Make the table. And I'm running out of time, so I'm just going to do it. So at 0 degrees, it's going to be at 2. And it's going to be 6. And then 2. And -2. Okay, so your graph going to look something like this. Okay, and that's it.